Hi, this is Ambika, Department of AIML. We are going to discuss about software engineering fundamentals and software process. Is software just coding? No, apart from that coding, it also requires the engineering discipline, not only programming. So software is nothing but a set of instructions or core or data which is used to operate a computer to perform some specific task. So there are two types of software, system software, application software. So system software are of two types, operating system like Linux, Unix, Windows like that. And another one is the language processor and device driver. Example, interpreter, compiler. Application software are of two types, general purpose, example MS Word, Photoshop like that, and customized software, example railways reservation system, airline reservation system. Software types, system software. So the system software, it basically controls the internal functioning of the computer hardware and also controls the other parts of the hardware devices like monitor, printer and storage devices. It acts like an interface between the hardware and the user application. So it helps them to communicate with each other because the hardware understands only the machine language. Software types. So the next software type is the application software. It is designed to perform a specific task for the end users. So it is mainly designed to fulfill the end users requirements. Example, word processor, spreadsheets, database management, inventory, payroll programs like that. Difference between the system software and application software. In system software, it is mainly designed for controlling the internal functioning of the computer hardware. Application software is designed for fulfilling the requirements of the user. System software is written in low-level language. Application software is written in high-level language. System software is less interactive for the users. Application software is more interactive for the users. In system software, it plays a vital role for the effective functioning of the system, whereas application software is not such important like compared to the system software because it performs a specific task. In system software, it is independent of the application software to run, but in application software, it needs a system software to run. Characteristics of the good software. Correctness, that is, it meets the user requirements. Reliability, we have to ensure that the software is reliable, that is, it should work or it should run without any errors, at least for a specific period of time. Efficiency, so it includes the optimal resource usage. Usability, it should be easy to learn and also to use. Maintainability, that is, if any changes has to be made, then it should be maintainable. Portability, that is, the software should run on the multiple platforms. Need for the software engineering. Why we are going for the software engineering? In case of the increasing software size and complexity, if the cost and schedule overruns, and if you want the software to be reliable and securable, and for the long-term maintenance, and also if you need any team-based development, we are going for the software engineering. Software engineering fundamentals. So what do you mean by software engineering? That is, we are going to apply some engineering principles to the software for developing it. It mainly focuses on process, people and product. And also it ensures whether the software is reliable, maintainable, scalable and also the cost effective. Software versus software engineering. So in case of software development, it is code focused. In case of software engineering, it is process focused. So individual effort will be given for the simple software, and in software engineering, team collaboration will be there. In software development, it will be used for the short-term projects, and then software engineering will be applied for the long-term projects. Software development will be normally informal. In case of software engineering, we will be using the standards and then documentation. Core fundamentals of software engineering. Abstraction. Here, the internal functioning of the hardware will be hidden. Modularity. The system project will be divided into modules and then software will be developed. Reusability. That is, the reusability can be avoided if there is any case of redundancy. Documentation. It is nothing but recording the information. Quality assurance. That is, the project should meet the specified requirements of the customers. Change management. If you want to do any changes, it should be manageable. Cohesion. It is nothing but it measures the how the elements within the module they are strongly related to each other. Next one is coupling. It refers to the interdependence between the different modules. So here the coupling should be low coupling. In case of cohesion, it should be high. So why we are going for the fundamentals? Because when the software failures are expensive and when we are constantly changing the requirements, and in case if any multiple stakeholders involved, and here also maintenance cost will be greater than the development cost. So example, some failed government portals and also some unstable apps. So software process is nothing but some set of activities which is used for developing a software. It includes some activities, roles, artifacts and controls. Artifacts are nothing but during the software development cycle we will be getting some byproducts. It may be tangible or intangible. It is useful for further development of the software. So these are some generic software process activities: requirement gathering, design, implementation, testing, deployment and maintenance. So the future scope will be that AI assisted development can be done, DevOps and MLOps can be used, and it will be secure and ethical software. And also in DevOps, the development and operations then will be automated by using some specific tools, and low code platforms will be also applied here. Thank you.